to use the PPTO Walmart. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a guide on using the PPTO at Walmart. So let's understand what PPTO is. It stands for Protected Paid Time Off, a policy for Walmart employees. This protects your absence from affecting your attendance record. You get paid during your absence if you have enough PPTO balance. So the steps to use it is simple. First of all, inform your manager or supervisor as soon as possible that you plan to use the PPTO. This will help them to plan for your absence and arrange the shift coverage. Then after, you'll have to log into the GTAP portal, which is the Global Time and Attendance portal on the Walmart website. This is automatically accessible to all the Walmart employees. Once that is done, you'll have to provide the required details, which includes the date of your requested absence, the reasons of your absence, and the number of hours you are requesting off. Before submitting the request, make sure to confirm that you have sufficient PPTO balance to cover your absence. If you do not have enough balance, you won't be paid for the time off. Submit the completed request form through the GTAP, and your report will be reviewed by Walmart and your absence will be logged. Make sure to use the sick option when selecting the reason for your absence and ensure communication with manager to avoid scheduling conflicts. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.